Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your clip. Pick a 9 shot at 2460 fps and stabilize any jitter so the cartoon effect reads cleanly. Once done, choose a tool that fits your workflow, a neural style filter, a dedicated plugin, or standalone software, and import the full resolution file. Make a duplicate project or timeline immediately so you can experiment without losing the original. Now set project resolution and color profile to match the source. This preserves details for the stylization step ahead. You now apply the core cartoonization. Start with edge detection and adjust line thickness and opacity so outlines read at your target resolution. Then reduce the color palette, use 8 to 64 levels, and increase saturation and midtone contrast to get that graphic, cel-shaded look. Make sure to enable motion-aware temporal smoothing between 0, 3, and 0, 6 so frames stay coherent and avoid flicker. If characters cross complex backgrounds, paint masks or use depth-aware filters to keep edges crisp where it matters most. You finish by rendering a 10 to 20 second test at full settings to inspect outlines, color banding, and motion consistency. Once satisfied, export using H, 264 or H, 265 with a 10 to 25 Mbps bitrate for 1080p, and enable color transfer or gamut preservation so playback matches your edit. If you see flicker or edge jumps, increase temporal smoothing. Tweak keyframe interpolation or stabilize problematic clips. And if banding appears, add subtle dither or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.